Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. WhatsApp has finally rolled out a new feature that lets users know when their contacts forward them a message from someone else. The feature is now available in the latest stable version of the Android app, having been rolled out to the beta build, version 2.1.179, last month. The feature, expected to help users distinguish between original messages and potential spam, will show a simple forwarded label on all types of forwarded messages, including texts, images, videos, audios and GIFs. It is expected to help combat the spread of rumors and fake news through the platform.